Now, we have already seen the two kind of industries, the iron and steel and the sugar industry. The third industry that I am going to pick up now is the cotton textile industry. Now, children, you are going to tell me that it falls under which categories. So, what is the raw material required? The raw material required is cotton. That means it is an agro based industry, and also it falls in the category of light industry because the raw material cotton is very light in nature. Well, talking about this, the textile industry in India, there are certain locational factors which are required by all the industries. Basically, for a cotton textile industry, the locational factors are as ever, as we have for all the industries, they should be availability of the raw material. And availability of raw material means cotton easily available. And where is cotton grown? Cotton is grown in the black soil in India. Well, another very important factor is that it should be in the hot and moist climate. And we also see that most of it are located near the Mumbai port, and also in Mumbai they also get a huge market for selling their final product. Therefore, availability of the raw material and also availability of selling it, that is the ready market which is there. Besides, the climate also suits them, which is another factor which is required for making an industry successful is labor, and cheap labor is easily available here. Now, the hydel power that is required, they easily get it from the Tata hydroelectric projects. That is why most of these industries are located near the Maharashtra belt, that is in the cotton textile industries. So, these locational factors of the place make it a suitable center for cotton textile industry. Continuing with it, but still even after all this, we see that the cotton textile industry is spread all over India. Now, what are those factors which are making it so widely spread? The reasons are, it does not need a particular kind of expertise as such or something which is a dire necessity. That is why such an industry can be set up anywhere. Therefore, we see textile industry spread in India almost everywhere. Second is, the raw material is very light, cotton is very light, therefore, the transportation is not much of a hassle. Next is, not only that it can be transported very easily, but also it is widely grown in India. Cotton is grown at so many states in India that it can be found almost everywhere. And you see, India is a tropical country, which means the kind of cloth that the people prefer wearing is the cotton cloth. That is the cloth which suits the climate of India. Therefore, the production can be easily consumed. When there is so much of need, when there is so much of demand, then naturally more and more units are being started. Next is, availability of hydroelectricity is now almost available everywhere in India. Therefore, these industries, though much of it are based here due to various factors, but still are found in almost everywhere in India, because it is an industry which gets itself adapted to all the surroundings, and the cheap raw material besides the cheap labor makes it, and also where it gets ready product market makes it an industry which has become a kind of an industry which is widely spread spreading. I talk about the next industry in the next clipping.